So good morning all TC101 people. Welcome to a new academic year. This is the intro video, recorded a little bit late, like a week late, for TC1014, TC1017 at the Tecnológico de Monterrey. So I'm just calling it TC101 because we're bunching both courses together. The 1014 is the Python traditionally group, although I'm going to allow you to use whichever language you like and I can support. And the TC1017 is the solutions to problems with programming in C++. So with that, your course is actually at kenscourses.com, TC101 Fall 2015. Currently, if you just go to kenscourses.com, it'll forward to here, but I'll probably change that later for another course I'm giving with faculty. You can get to this through Blackboard. There's a link to this. We're not using Blackboard. I sent out an announcement in Blackboard. It should have arrived in your email. If not, if you go to Blackboard, go to this course, it's going to point into this site for you. So let's see, new academic year. Let's talk a little bit about navigation of this site. This home just goes to this home page. I'm going to need everyone to register blog, but I'll leave that for a message in the week 2 announcement, which I'll record in about 15 minutes from now. Office hours, you can click here and it goes straight to my reservation system. I'll let that load here. So my office is in EAS 5, which is on the 4th floor of the admin building. You can just click here to make an appointment. So say like if you want to meet me at 8:30 on Wednesday, you can click through to here, put your email. Please put an email that works. Even better is Gmail because that'll add it to your Google Calendar if you use Gmail. Put your name. Please tell me what you need to talk about so when you come to meet me in my office, I can be prepared even and prepare some links or some material for you. I'll let you schedule 15 or 30 minutes, fill in the code here so it proves you're maybe or not a robot, and then hit the confirm booking. What this does is it will show up in my calendar that you have an appointment, like I have 2 appointments today already. And then I'll get reminded. It'll block that time so you have that time reserved, and then you can come and see me and we can talk about whatever it is you need to talk about. So I'll close that up. Let's see, TC1014 is obviously for the course of the Python or other language course. The home page, which will bring you to a page showing latest posts from students. There's not much there. And you'll also notice all of the pages on my course has a section for comments. People have put comments here. You can add your own comment there if you want. Okay, you can put your name, email, website if you like. That's optional. And then a comment here about whatever the content for the course is. All of the pages on the course, including the homework assignments, have areas for comments so people can ask about what's going on or promote their answer for that homework assignment. Page 1 is really important. So each course has page 1s at the Tec Monterrey. This has been updated for this semester. Goes through the details of the course. What's the official textbook? In this case, I've given them an optional interactive textbook. The rules for evaluation of the course, the partial grades, as well as the final grade. More details there. We're doing topic mastery. I'll talk about this in a second. WSQ is kind of the homework assignments. I call them write, solve, question. There's all the mastery lists. A little bit about this course being different, important dates, assignment details, policies, blah, 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 blah. The idea for signing here, this is actually you're going to be one of your homework assignments, is you need to tweet a link to this page from your own Twitter account saying, I agree to our TC101 page 1. If you're commenting here, you're doing it wrong, but maybe you already did it. You need to put it in your own blog post. We'll get to that in a second. This course is different. Oh, let me finish the navigation. So in the About submenu, there's a contact menu, comment policy and privacy policy. I just put that on all my sites. A link to my own personal blog, as well as a link to my Tec de Monterrey faculty webpage if you want to take a look at that. I'll click on the contact here. I already showed you the reservation system, but basically official communication is via email. If I email you, I expect that you'll see it within a day or two. Yeah, you can communicate with me via email, via Twitter, Facebook, or other messages with direct messages or publicly visible, depending on the content of your message. This is the link to my scheduling system, so if you can't find it on the main link, and a little bit of information where my office is located. So that's that. Grades will be available eventually, but not right now. And there's a glossary here. These are all the terms you should know. Okay, I could put this on a quiz. Maybe sometime this week I'll start quizzing you on these content. These are all keywords that you can find inside of our books. Okay, or if you can't, Google it out. Let's see. So there's that. This course is different than maybe something you've seen before. It is a open course, so all of your homework assignments are posted on your own blogs. It's flipped, and flipped in is the idea that direct reception of content, whether via video or reading the book, or I assign you some readings on the web or papers, not so much papers in this course, you'll do outside and you'll consume the content. I'm not going to come to class and lecture with a bunch of PowerPoint presentations. The idea is reception of information is usually through lecture in many classes. We do that outside. Inside, we write code or whatever it is we need to do active learning inside of our classroom. That's the concept of Flip. It's also mastery based because, as you can see on the list of mastery topics, I'll pull up the one for TC1017 here. It's your job during the semester to check off all of these items. So this is your list of things you need to learn by the end of the year. The WSQs, on the other hand, are kind of more of a sequential ordering to things. So that's about the course. I need you to sign page 1. I already told you that. You can actually notice that I'll use WSQ for TC1017. WSQ00 is sign page 1. And if you go into this, it says, please remember to write a blog post on your blog. That's how you hand in homework. There's no button to submit your homework. Set up your blog, write an initial post, put a link to the tweet that you sent. Okay, you should learn how to do that. If not, I might make a quick video about that. Remember to tag your post with a hashtag WSQ00. It's really important because then I know that this is for that homework assignment. And then later on, this popular tags will get filled out with tags that people are doing. And if you tag something WSQ00, we'll know that, well, that's your homework 00, and everyone else can find everyone else's homework. This is an open course again. I talked about and a contact. One other thing, and I'll leave you, is let's just bring up my YouTube page, youtube.com, Ken Bauer. I've got a playlist here. I should organize this. There's a playlist called Flip Students Fall 2014. And there's actually another one called Alumnos Fall 2014. You can look at these. These are recordings I made. And these are recordings from students saying or their recommendation of how to do well in Ken's course. So there's one from Okenya, Jonathan, Deanna, Sergio, Paulina, and a bunch of students. These are all the ones in English. The other list links to the one in Spanish. So have an excellent semester. Feel free to contact me any way you can. I'm very accessible for helping you in this course, and we're going to have a great time. Thanks a lot, and have an awesome semester.